Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to Madam Iliya. Today, we from Group 3 are going to present about our group project, which is air purifier to prevent air pollution. Our group member consists of 5 people, which is me, Khairul, Aiman, bin Khalil, Idham, Yoong Wen Xuan, Koh Chia Min, Muhammad Al-Fatih, and also Sia Hui Sze. First and foremost is our problem statements, which is air pollutions have raised significantly before the COVID-19 strikes. As we all know, before the pandemic hit the world, air pollutions have increased significantly due to the industrialization that has been going non-stop and also the use of vehicle that releases carbon dioxide that could affect the climate change around the world. However, air pollution has been reduced significantly in the midst of COVID-19. This is because the movement control order by the government have prohibited the people to go outside from their house in order to curb the infection rates. This also results in the shutdown of industrial sector and the less use of vehicle around the country. So, in order to maintain the recovery process, every household must consider in investing or buying an air purifier for their home to create a better living space and also improve the environment around them. Therefore, household must take into consideration of buying any types of air purifier to help the environment to become cleaner and better for them.
To overcome the problem stated in slide 2, we find that the solution that can maintain the recovery process even after the MCO is by investing in air purifier in every household home. An air purifier is a device that can remove pollute particles such as dust and smoke from the air that can bring effects to the environment. When the air outside is polluted, people are advised to stay at home and install an air purifier to clean the air. By installing an air purifier, we can make sure that the air which is within our house is clean, safe, and will not cause any harm to us and our family members. We can also prevent ourselves from suffering any disease, such as coughing, asthma, and others. Furthermore, for the family who uses air conditioner frequently, an air purifier is recommended for their own benefit. This is because chlorofluorocarbons, which is CFC, will release into the atmosphere and found to emit greenhouse gases. This brings effect on the depletion of ozone. So, an air purifier can play its own role, which can help to remove gaseous pollutants from the air. It directly helps to improve people's health or alleviate allergies and signs of respiration. Therefore, every household must take into consideration of buying any types of purifier to improve the quality of air and environment.
Good evening to my invigilator and my fellow friends. Today I'm going to present about the description of the product. Air purifier can be divided into 3 types, which is the HEPA purifier, absorbent purifier, and the UV purifier. First of all is the HEPA purifier. HEPA is the short form of high efficiency particulate air. HEPA is a standard of filtration designed to strand out microscopic particulate of diameter 0.3 mm. The appearance of the HEPA purifier is inspired by the gas mask which is used in World War II and further developed by the Manhattan Project Group. It is also a fundamental of all the air purifier, which means that HEPA purifier is the prototype of all the air purifier. In HEPA purifier contain two filters, which is the pre-filter and the true HEPA layer. For the pre-filter, it will filter the large dust, and the true HEPA layer will strain out the microscopic particle. The second type of air purifier is the absorbent air purifier. The absorbent air purifier is used the activate carbon filter to trap the chemical and odor that may be floating around your home. In the activate carbon filter, it contains three absorbents, which is the polar absorbent, non-polar absorbent, and the chemical absorbent. All these absorbents are used to attract the substances to their surface through physical or chemical process. For the polar absorbent, it attracts the molecule substances such as the water. For the non-polar absorbent, it attracts the non-polar substances such as the carbon dioxide and any noble gas will harmful to the human health. And the last absorbent is the chemical absorbent. It attracts the substances chemically bond with the absorbent, such as the VOC, the volatile organic compound. And this kind of air purifier is suitable for the people who have MCS, which is the multiple chemical sensitive, because the activate carbon filter can absorb the VOC, which will cause the asthma. The last type of air purifier is the UV air purifier. The UV air purifier is the most expensive air purifier among these three types. It's because the UV air purifier contains the UV technology in the process of air purification. The UV air purifier is used the ultraviolet A and the ultraviolet B protection. UV is the ultraviolet light comes from the sun, which destroy the DNA and the RNA within your skin and also the microorganism. The UV air purifier works the same way, but it only works on the microbes. The main purpose to install the UV technology in the air purifier is to eliminate the microorganism which will harmful to the human health contained in the air. Now I will explain how it works. First, the air will go into the air purifier and the large dust will filter by the pre-filter and the small particle will filter by the true HEPA layer and the VOC2 will filter by the activate carbon layer, and the last, the air will go through the UV light and the UV light irradiate on the air and it will kill the microorganism and the virus contained in the air. In the last, it will give us the most safe air.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. I will continue this group presentation with analysis of product. There are three types of air purifier. There are HEPA purifier, absorbent purifier, and UV purifier. HEPA purifier only got two stages of purification that are pre-filter and HEPA filter, while absorbent purifier and UV purifier has three stages of purification that are pre-filter, HEPA filter, and active carbon filter. So, absorbent purifier and UV purifier can trap more particles efficiently than HEPA purifier. Next, for effective area. HEPA purifier effective area is 23 square meter, absorbent purifier 37 square meter, and UV purifier 34 square meter. And absorbent purifier has the largest effective area. Next, power consumption. HEPA purifier 30 watt, absorbent purifier 38 watt, UV purifier 40 watt. The lower the power consumption, it is better for a household. So HEPA purifier got the lowest power consumption. Next, noise level. Noise level for HEPA purifier is 23 to 44 decibel, while absorbent purifier and UV purifier around 33 to 64 decibel. Their price range for HEPA purifier is 190 ringgit to 1,500 ringgit. For absorbent purifier, 75 ringgit to 1,000 ringgit, and UV purifier is 45 ringgit to 4,500 ringgit. All this detail is based on the three model. That is, for HEPA purifier, we use the Sharp Air purifier. For absorbent purifier, it is Xiaomi Mi Air purifier. And for UV purifier, it is TrueSense Z2000 Air purifier. That's all from me. I will pass it to another member to explain it further. Thank you.
So, I'm going to talk about the product analysis. The product analysis is carried out to research and compare among the different types of air purifier for the purpose to determine which air purifier are most suitable for every household to consider and place in their home based on the different aspects, which are the stage of purification of the air purifier, the effective area of the air purifier, the types of filter in the air purifier, and lastly is the price of each and different type of air purifier. So, first of all, we are going to compare based on the aspect of the stage of purifications of the air purifier. There are three different types of air purifier that we take into account for the comparisons. There are two different stages of purifications for these three different types of air purifiers, which is the HEPA purifier with 2 layers of purifications, while absorbent purifier and UV purifier with 3 layers of purifications. Every household should choose an air purifier with 3 layers of purifications for their home, which is the absorbent purifier because the indoor air quality can improve after the air surrounding are filtered through the 3 layers of purification where all the dust particles can be removed efficiently. So next, we are going to compare based on the aspect of the effective area of the air purifier. Different air purifier can clean and filter the indoor air based on their effective area. Every household should consider that the air purifier that they purchase can filter the air in the size of the room which they wish to filter. So it's important to choose an air purifier that is effective and at the same time able to cover a large area of place so that most of the indoor air in the home can be filtered and purified. Based on the comparison table, the effective area of HEPA purifier, absorbent purifier, and UV purifier is 23 meters square, 37 meters square, and 34 meters square respectively. The absorbent purifier is the most suitable air purifier for every household to consider and purchase because it is effective to filter the air for the area that is bigger than the area for the other two air purifiers. Hence, these air purifiers are able to filter and purify more indoor air compared to the other two air purifiers. Next, we are going to compare based on the type of filter in the air purifier. There are few types of filter in the air purifier. The most common filter are pre-filter, HEPA filter, and active carbon filter. Pre-filter can eliminate and remove most of the large particles in the air, such as hair at the first stage of purification. HEPA filter, or known as high-efficiency particulate air filter, can remove almost 99.97% of the all particles that are size 0.3 microns. The HEPA filter is highly effective to filter the particles such as pollen, mold, and pet dander in the air. Besides, an active carbon filter can absorb odor caused by the secret smoke and fumes. It can also remove harmful gases from the air. So, the best choice of air purifier that every household should choose is an air purifier with a combination of 3 types of filter, which are the pre-filter, HEPA filter, and active charcoal filter. Based on the comparison tables in the analysis of products, The most suitable air purifier that every household should consider and purchase is an adsorbent purifier because this air purifier consists all three filters, which are the pre-filter, HEPA filter, and ethyl charcoal filter. Lastly, we are going to compare based on the aspect of price of each different types of air purifier. Every household will take into account the price of the air purifier before they purchasing an air purifier for their home. The air purifier with the lowest price range is the adsorbent purifier, which is from 75 ringgit Malaysia to 1000 ringgit Malaysia, while the air purifier with the highest price range is the UV purifier, which is from 45 ringgit Malaysia to 4500 ringgit Malaysia. Hence, the most suitable air purifier that every household can consider and purchase for their home is an adsorbent purifier. This is because most of the households are more capable to purchase an adsorbent purifier, as this air purifier with the lowest price range is more affordable for most of the people to purchase for their home. That's all from me. Thank you.
So in a nutshell, we think that by placing an air purifier in every household will benefit the environment in the long run. This will not only create a better living condition for the household, but also create a healthier living space for the family and the people around them. Not only that, by purchasing an air purifier, it will also decrease the air pollutions and also the air pollutants around the house significantly and create a better breathing space for the household and the people around them. Based on the research that has been done by us, we suggest that every household should purchase the absorbent purifier because it is the most suitable air purifier to be purchased for every household. This is because due to the three layers of purification filter inside the air purifier, the larger effective area among the three products that covers the area around the house, and also an affordable price for the customer that can be a great return for them in the long run. So that's all for us. Thank you and have a good day.